Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about how to send email in Django. Also, we will check out how to send HTML template in attachment in Django. So here we have already installed the Django. If you don't know how to install Django, you can check out from my previous video I have already uploaded. So now let me open the terminal. Now I am going to use clear terminal. I am using VS Code. So now let me show you. This is working fine. And what we're going to do here, suppose first of all, if you don't know how to set up the HTML templates, so guys, we have the templates here. Inside the templates we have the directories basically, so you can put these lines of code base directory. Okay, so also have the multiple places is there, so you can check the directory path something. Okay, so once you successfully added these lines of code, let me show you where this is used already. Look, we have the already using here for the SQLite. This is basically direct base path, so we are using here directories. Okay, might be this is clear now. So once you successfully added this one, also you need to add here templates where you want to use your templates. So guys, I am using template inside of this folder which is pages, and inside of the pages I have created templates. So now inside the templates I have created, the name is file which is text mail something. You can check, we have the file name is text mail. So you can create the inside of the templates folder wherever you want to add. Then don't forget to configurations of your mail setting. Guys, if you don't know how to configure mail, you can check out my previous video I have already uploaded. Also you can check out from my blog. So once you successfully added, then what you need to do, I am going to inside of the my view. Here I have already uploaded subject, message, and to where you want to send, and here we have the result something, so you can set this particular result something also. So now we have the multiple things is here. Okay, so now what we need to do here, so basically guys, this is not working, and we are sending from there. Let me comment this one. Okay, now we have the HTML templates I have created as variable. Inside of the variable I am using my file which is text HTML. Okay, now once you successfully added this one, what you need to do, we have the HTML message rendering. HTML message means we have the HTML template. Inside the HTML template I am using this template, and we have already defined that. Okay, so now we have the message. Inside of the message I am using like this one, because of we need to send message, email message. We have the subject, we have the HTML message, we have the setting. Basically this is a setting dot host dot user I have already defined. So which email from you want to send something, so I have already configured. So I don't want to show right now because here I have already updated my password. For the security reason I'm not going to show you. And to where you want to send something. Okay, so once you successfully add it, then we need to write message dot content subtype something. So here now we have the HTML type. If you have a text type, you can type here text something. So we have the HTML format. Okay, so now you need to write here message dot send. So once you successfully add it, then we are redirecting inside the response with a success message. Let me show you. I am going to hit this one. Let me open my email ID. Look, we have received two email IDs. Here Siddharth something inside of the body. Success. Let me remove this one. Look, again we have received, might be. Yes, look, we have received this mail again. So this is working fine guys. So hope so this is clear. Also you want to more videos, please let me know. Definitely I will create another video. So also you can check out this code from my blog which is Real Programmer. Soon I'm going to update this code inside my blog. You can check out from here. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.